I bought my wife Casio's female G-Shock, Baby G, as a gift. We're going to be putting this Baby G on my wife's wrist to hear her first thoughts and see if it's a good idea for you to get one for your partner. And gentlemen, you're going to want to stick around because we're going to discuss how we can use Baby G to justify our watch spending habits. And with Valentine's Day right around the corner, we've got no time to spare, so smash that like button and let's unbox this thing. By the way, if you're a watches or G-Shock fan, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next watch review. I did think it was pretty cool that they include all the same stuff with a Baby G as they do with a G-Shock. So inside the tin of a Baby G, we'll have the normal padding and packaging as expected, and then the watch itself. So let's take a look. Right off the bat, a very striking appearance with its nice transparent strap and this nice rose gold inlay. I know my wife is going to love this colorway. So let's take a look at exactly what model of Baby G this is. So we're just going to undo the strap and have a look here. So this is the BG169G. Now let's take a look at the screen because I did notice it is kind of dark. So see up the top there where it says Wednesday, if you keep your eye on that, you notice that after a while a cute little animal might show up, which is, there it is, there's a little dog, which is a cool feature that your partner may like. I know my wife will like it. So given the screen is kind of dark, guys, what I'm going to do is shut off all the lights and we're going to test out the backlight functionality and see how we go. Alright, let's smash that like button and let's turn off the lights. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go. And actually, check it out, there's a little dolphin there. So hitting the light button and a blowfish, you do get a bunch of cute little animals as well. The next thing that I immediately noticed with this watch was these cool bull bars. And if you'll notice, they actually have a little bit of padding on the top and bottom as well. If we check the side, you'll notice that the bull bar is actually embedded under the bezel. So there's no way that this can be removed or lost. And I'm pretty happy because this is going to protect my wife's lens really well. Now I know that this is called a Baby G, but as part of the G-Shock series, this actually has just as much shock resistance and water resistance as a normal G-Shock. If we tilt the screen down there, you'll see that this is water resistant 20 bar, so that means it can go up to 200 meters deep, so well and truly more than enough that my wife's gonna need. In terms of size, Casio has made the Baby Gs a fair bit smaller than the average G-Shock, just to accommodate the average female wrist size. So compared next to my 5610, you don't see a huge difference, but when I hold it against my GD350 G-Shock, the difference is stark indeed. And by the way, if you want to see more of the GD350, I'm leaving a review above. Now, just before we jump into a size check on my wife's wrist, remember, this is just one model of Baby G. There's actually an entire catalogue of really cool, unique designs, just like with G-Shocks. So I'm leaving a link for you below so that you or your partner can take a look. Here you go, baby. I got you a Baby G. Why don't you try it on?
Oh, it looks very cute on. It didn't look as cute when it was off.
Ah, you like it?
Mm-hmm. It's very cute once it's on.
And look, it's got cute little animals that show up the top sometimes when you press the light button.
Oh, there's a dolphin.
Oh, cool.
Thank you, hubby.
You're very welcome.
Mwah.
So you're happy with it?
Mm-hmm.
So does that mean I get to buy a bunch more G-Shocks?
No.
Oh, almost. Alright guys, my wife has left the room and you know what that means? It's time for the bonus. So the question is, how can us fellas use these Baby Gs to our advantage? Well, think about it like this. As soon as we get our partner's feet wet in the watches hobby by buying them a Baby G and let them wear it for a while, they're going to be a lot more appreciative of how cool G-Shocks are, right? So hopefully this will translate into understanding when we want to spend a little bit more money on our next G-Shock, right? Well, that's what I think anyway, but I'd love to know what you think. Now I can already see the comments now, people saying, what if she's already got a watch? Great question. I don't know, maybe you could get it anyway and see how it goes. Or maybe she might just break or lose her old one, but you didn't hear it from me. So what are you waiting for, guys? Get your missus a baby G and bring her into your world of G-Shock and watch collecting, and I'm sure she'll be a lot more understanding of you when you do. If this video was useful, amusing, or entertaining for you, please consider subscribing so you don't miss our next watch review. I'm going to leave you with our watches playlist and also a suggested video that you're not going to want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.